All right, so today we're in Glassboro in Richwood Crossing. These homes were built in 2015. This one we just listed, it's going for $489,000. Let's take you inside, show you what you get. All right, so we're here in the two-story foyer that connects to the dining room, which flows into the kitchen, breakfast room, and living area. All right, so we're upstairs. We're going to show you the primary bedroom and bathroom with the garden tub, stand-up shower. All right, so the rest of the upstairs, we have the laundry room and then 3 bedrooms, all with nice sized closets. All right, we're now in the basement. Obviously, big finished area with an egress window. Awesome for entertaining.